Stop using the old method of getting your TIN verification number. Have you been trying to use the old method of getting your verification number and it's not working for you? You keep getting this error message. The good news is this: I have found a new working method that works in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me, in just 5 minutes, and you'll be getting your verification number using your NIN. Yes, using your NIN. I know a lot of you have been complaining in my DM that the NIN verification number is not working, is no longer working. That each time you input your NIN to retrieve your verification number, it keeps giving you this particular error message. But I am here to bring you a good news that will enable you get your TIN verification number without any stress, for free. Yes, it is totally free of charge, in just 5 minutes. So without wasting much of our time, let me take you through the process of getting your TIN verification number in no time. So let's go. So all you have to do is go straight to your Chrome browser. On the search bar, type in this website on your screen: taxid.nrs.gov.ng. When you're done typing it, you go ahead and click on search, and it will bring you to this interface. Make sure you select individual and not corporate. Okay, now scroll down to where you have tax ID retrieval method. Now this is where the problem is. This place you have national identification number. Now you don't want to use national identification number, because if you go ahead and enter your NIN, it still will not work. Okay, so what you will do now is click on that national identification number. That this first box you have national identification number, click on it. It always has two options. Now you see the NIN authentication share code. That's the one we are going to be using today. Okay, so click on it, make sure it is there. Okay, now that will take us to the next phase of this. Okay, the next thing you need to do is go to your Play Store and download this app I'm going to show you now. Okay, in your Play Store, on the search bar, click on the search bar and type in NIN Authenticator app. Okay, just type in NIN authentic. See, it will bring it out for you. See the second one, the one with the green logo. Okay, just install the app. This one I'm installing now. Install it. Don't install the first one, please. Okay, once you finish installing it, go ahead and open the app. Okay, agree to all the agreeables, do the setup. So after all the agreements, agreeing to the permissions, giving it permissions and all that, it will bring you to this interface. I had to use another phone because the app doesn't allow you to screen record. So what you do here is sign up with your NIN. So I'm going to be signing up with my NIN. Then here you input your NIN. I will input my NIN right here and get back. So once you're done inputting your NIN, you go ahead and click on continue verification. Okay, so all you need to do now is to verify your identity. Okay, so once your verification is done, click on continue. Okay, now you have to set a login pin. I'll go ahead and set mine now. Once that is done, go ahead and click on continue. So after setting your login pin, it will bring you to this interface like this. Okay, if you want them to send you notifications, you can go ahead and click on allow, but I'm just going to say don't allow. Okay, so what we need to do here now is to get our share code. Okay, we need the share code to generate our TIN. So just click on this share code, the second one. It will generate your share code for you. You see, it says this code expires in 29 days. Okay, so what we'll do now is to go back to the website, to tax ID website, to impute this code here. What you do is just to copy it here. Click on copy, and then we'll go back to the website. So when you get to the website, you see where it says enter share code. Just go ahead and enter the share code you generated from the app. Okay, so once you enter it, scroll down. See, hello Izuna Mezi, your share code has been successfully verified and matches a tax ID in our system. So right now you have successfully gotten your tax ID. This is your tax ID here. All you have to do now is screenshot it and then copy it. Now you can use it to set your payout accounts both on Facebook, YouTube, or TikTok. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, and share to others to also benefit from this video. Okay, and also follow my page for more tutorials like this.